I will be putting everything you need to set your body up to achieve your goal in your hands. I simplify every physiological concept down to the bare minimum, sharing with you exactly what to do, why, as well as how. If you've been looking for a step-by-step process to achieve your goal, you're in the right place. Simplify Self-Care bridges the gap between wanting to accomplish your goal and actually achieving it. Welcome to Simplify Self-Care, 52 weeks of self-care with Mo. I simplify every physiological concept down to the bare minimum, sharing with you exactly what to do, why, as well as how. I will be putting everything you need to set your body up to achieve your goal in your hand. Every single focused action that I share here is something that every body needs. I make sure that every focused action is something every single person can do. I put together the following little video to share with you the secret to how we're going to accomplish this. The secret to achieving every health, wellness, and fitness goal happens to also provide you with the quickest way to achieve it. I know it's hard to believe, but it's true. After being in this field going on 4 decades, I know the secret is what makes the difference when it comes to your success. If you're frustrated with the results of your efforts to achieve your goal or the ups and downs that can come with all the advice that's out there, then this is the missing piece you've been looking for. So what's the secret? Simplify your self-care. Simplify it right down to one focus that's simple, that removes your body's hurdles, and that provides your body's essentials. Yeah, it's that simple. Simple guarantees you can do it. Removing the hurdles speeds up results. Providing the essentials makes those results long-lasting. Your one focus cuts out the confusion of what to do and when. It totally eliminates the overwhelm of figuring out what works. Let's go a bit deeper into the what and why the secret of simplifying your self-care to one focus works. There are core ways the body functions and core ways it goes awry. This simplifies your self-care greatly, which simplifies achieving your goal greatly. The key to everything you want your body to do is homeostasis. Homeostasis is balance. When you focus on removing the hurdles, your body rebalances. Then, providing the essentials sets up your body to be balanced. Now you have the foundation for it to respond to the efforts you put in to achieve your goal. The results of a body in balance: reduced stress, reduced inflammation, aches, pains, intolerances, chronic disease. Then you build increased energy, increased stamina, strength, and increased joy, creating the foundation for your balanced metabolism, balanced appetite and digestion, balanced autoimmune system response, balanced posture and joint protection, adding up to a very balanced you. And that's the body's goal when it comes to the optimal you. It's where you can now set your efforts on achieving your goal, whatever that goal may be. Every aspect of health, wellness, and fitness is dependent on this balance, this homeostasis. It's the secret component of every single body, every single goal. Whether your body's focus is on healing, optimizing for your particular life stage, or training for a top-level athletic event. An added bonus to incorporating this secret is that once your body is in balance, it is way easier to maintain balance, offering you longevity. So focusing on balancing your bodies exponentially ends up paying off for you. You reap benefits immediately as well as in the future. No more gerbil wheeling, hitting the wall. Instead, you'll layer on one great micro decision after another, getting results. When you simplify your self-care, you focused first on the big influencers. That's truly the secret of the One Focus, placing your focused actions on the biggest influencers of your overall homeostasis, the influencers that make a huge difference quickly. When you take advantage of knowing that all of your systems are interconnected and interdependent on each other, you focused first on the techniques and the tools that support this interconnectedness, this interdependency. This is something I call Core Concept 1 of self-care. Balancing these big influencers is 100% the quickest way for you to successfully achieve your goal, whatever your goal may be. I'm Mo, and my goal is to help you achieve your goal, sharing with you how placing your focused actions on your body's biggest influencers first is the key to setting up your body to work with you, making Simplify Self-Care process the most efficient and the most effective way to achieve your goal. I send you the what to do to get these big influencers to positively impact your body, along with the research and reasoning behind each focused action in Simplify Self-Care email. You can download instantaneously or use the Apple or Google Play apps to get started. I want to be sure to start you off with not only the know-how, but the tools that you can take action. Want to know a little bit more about your body's big influencers? Your body's biggest influencers, the ones you'll focus on first, are 3 organs, 3 muscles, 3 nutrients. We focus on the 3 organs to promote balance of your nervous and endocrine system. These are the 2 biggest influencers of every single system in your body. The nervous system controls virtually all body's activities, and the endocrine system secretes hormones that regulate these activities. Why focus on the 3 organs? The answer is because all of your systems depend on them. These 3 organs work together, creating physiological cascades that dictate your body's overall balance. By placing your one focus here first, we positively influence all of your systems. We implement 3 simple tools to rebalance the current physiological cascades, and you reap the benefits throughout your body. This is just one of the exponential returns you get from simple, focused actions. These actions I call our micro decisions. What does this mean in terms of results for you? Well, balancing the physiological cascades begins to improve things like your mood, metabolism, overall aches and pains, stress, anxiety, OCD, stamina, digestion, chronic conditions, asthma, sleep, appetite, sexual drive, fertility, PMS, acne, blood pressure, back pain, neck pain, joint pain, indigestion, ulcers, incontinence, malabsorption, pretty much everything. After focusing on your 3 organs, we move to layering on focus on your 3 muscles, promoting the balance of your muscle-skeletal system. The benefit to you? You protect every joint for longevity. Plus, a balanced muscle-skeletal system protects your nervous system, allowing optimal communication to every organ of every system in your body. Why these 3 particular muscles? All your systems depend on them. You'll rebalance the very foundation of optimized movement, as well as improve all of your other systems' functionality. Once again, each focus action sets up your body to be positively impacting all of your systems, priming your body to respond to your efforts exponentially as the weeks go by, moving you closer and closer toward your goal. Focus on the 3 nutrients comes next. We take advantage of knowing you are made up of systems. Your systems are made up of organs. Organs are made up of tissues, and your tissues are made up of cells. Cells rule. This is our focus. It's the second core concept of self-care. The core concepts are the way we cut through the plethora of information out there. It helps us decipher what may work for us and what not. Focusing on the cell, knowing it's a huge influencer to every single one of your tissues that make up your organs, that make up your systems, that make up your body, is key. That's why we focus on 3 nutrients. It's because all of your systems depend on them. Placing your attention on the 3 nutrients, you'll optimize every cell, promoting balance of each and every one of your systems. Together, your 3 organs, 3 muscles, 3 nutrients set you up to succeed like never before. Using the secret of simplifying your self-care down to the one focus that's simple, removes your body's hurdles, provides your body's essentials to influence your body's 3 biggest influencers, to bring your body in balance is what enables you to achieve your goal. That's right. Achieving your goal becomes a can-do. The only question remaining is, do you want to? Simplify Self-Care. It's the secret to share. The Simplify Self-Care Sunday email enables every single person to begin from week 1 and go through week 52, regardless of what week in the year you discovered this channel. It also gives you more PDFs, tips, and tools that belong with the video. Head on over to simplifyselfcare.com, a link below. I want you to know you will accomplish more over the next 52 weeks with your body than ever before.